Hi everyone, it's Deb. I'm not going to do a December share of coloring pages that I did for 2024 because I did not meet my plan at all. I think I did maybe half of what I was intending, so I'm going to combine it with January and I'll just tell you which ones I did in December and which I will have done in January. So here are the books, though, I'll share with you that I intend to color out of. These two are for the new collab I'm doing with Left-Handed Crafter on Sundays um, at 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, and figure it out for whatever time zone you're in. And it's out of these two books. Now, I actually saw someone yesterday, and I think she saw me do the walkthrough on this on my channel, and someone else bought this when it came back in stock and did a penguin page. I think she's going in order maybe. And it was so cute. And she just used alcohol markers. I don't know where but it was out of this book. So anyway, really cute. So I'm going to be using these for that collab plus other books for that collab because the tabbies you see here, I don't have the dates on, but those are pre-selected for, sorry about that, for the last week of the month where we're going to be doing the same page, which I've explained in a previous video. Let me just turn something off. There we go. Okay, so this one I've already colored in. Happy New Year. That video should be up before this one. Short little video wishing you a Happy New Year from the gnomes and I. But there's another page in here that I want to do in January, which is a wintry scene. This one, of course, is for the collab with Jamie's Life, and except I heard he's changing his channel name, and I don't know what it is yet because it's January 1st now, and I haven't seen it yet. Um, but they are using this for the Crafting Party with Friends 2025 now, continuing from 2024, and I have some catch up to do, so I will probably be catching up in the next month weekly video, and then I'll probably share 2 weeks every other week in this. And then same kind of thing for this one. This is from um, Rosemary's You Rock Art, and the collab is hashtag color and create with us You Rock Art. Um, and I know she said she's coming. We didn't do anything on the 30th, and I'm 1 week behind in this anyway from the whatever December was, 23rd. I don't think I got that done. Hang on. Correct, I did not get the 23rd done. Um, and then I can't remember. She's not going in order. I have to go back and look and see which page it is we're supposed to be doing for the 6th of January for this one. And I will probably do that, catch it up again, and then I don't know which week I'll be presenting, but I'll either be creating or coloring or both on her collab. That's on Mondays as well, anytime Mondays for both of those last two. This is a book I said that I wanted to, first I was going to do December. It's a 25 Days of Kindness, but it's not really all geared towards Christmas. Like this picture in the book is the most Christmassy. Since it's 25 days, I was thinking December, but I changed that and I'm going to try and do 2 pages a month. That one might be kind of Christmassy too. Um, 2 to 3 pages a month so that by December, we're there. So yeah, this sort of looks treaty too. But anyway, you get the idea. See, that's got like, that could be like St. Patrick's Day or something. So I'll figure that out. And yeah, I want to get a start in here and do at least 2 pages every month out of this book. This one, I had planned on doing a challenge in December. Well, I have a work in process because we were doing this spring wreath page for Christmas, and that's as far as I got using alcohol markers. Honestly, I'm not crazy about using alcohol markers on the smaller details, But so I don't know, I might continue this page with the alcohol markers, but there's some little details that I might have to switch to colored pencil. I'm not sure yet. And that was for Amanda Colors channel, but I didn't get it done, so I didn't participate. So I want to finish, at least finish that, and maybe do one other. I'm not sure yet. Mandala Mondays, I have 2 books. I am behind in that. I believe the last one I did was for December 16th. So I have 2 weeks to catch up. I might not get caught up for that. I might just continue in January. There was one in here I had really wanted to do for December, which is the deer, but maybe I'll do that and just change the colors I was going to use. So yeah, I may still do that one for in January. Yeah, I think so. I think I'll do that one in January, and now that's on Mondays too, and that's hosted by M Beans Color with Me. I can't remember if that's co-hosted. A lot of hers now are co-hosted, but she just changed some of that and I can't remember. But go check out her channel. So those 2 are for that. And then this is wintry, and we have a few months of winter here. I have not done anything in this yet. I did see someone else do, and I can't remember who it was. I'm so sorry. But I would like to do that one, and I think I do want to go in order because they're all Arctic themed. And that one, that could have been nice for December, but you know, it's okay. So I would like to do that and possibly that one because that one's easier. Oh, that maybe I'll save some of these for next year because that looks like Christmas with the candy canes and stuff. Yeah, I might skip around in this one actually, and that one would be for Christmas too, right? So, but they're not all. Some of them are, you know, or just any time in winter. So, yeah, I'd like to do 1 or 2 pages out of that in January, and I'm just feeling like beginning of a new year, we need some inspiration, so I'd like to pick 1 or 2 pages out of this. I think I've only done that one, which I used water-based markers on. I think that's the only one I've done in here so far. So those are the books I would like to use in January. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 books. If I do 1 or 2 pages, if I did 2 pages each, that would be 22 pages. That's actually a lot for me, even if I use alcohol markers, because I have other things to do, not just coloring. This is not just a 100% coloring channel. It's a crafting, coloring channel, and then I have a second channel, crafting, mixed media, coloring, junk journal channel, and then I have another channel which is just jewelry. And I need to be doing more on that this year, and I intend to. So yes, I have a busy start of the year planned, and it's going to continue in 2025. And I'm kind of changing my mind about traveling. I guess it's the age thing setting in. I don't know. So we'll see what happens. Right now we have a car situation going on, and I know this is not related to coloring, but I was supposed to go on just an overnight trip to Atlantic City, New Jersey, the 17th and 18th of January, but my son needs my car to work. I also had a doctor's appointment on the 16th. I'm going to have to move because it was an afternoon appointment, and I have to try and reschedule for a later date and a morning appointment because he may need my car even longer than that, depending on what happens with his in the garage on the 20th. He has to have it towed to a dealer at this point. So, anyway, yeah, things are changing and things are strange this year so far. A little stressful, but we'll get through it. This too shall pass, right? And I'm still looking forward to a wonderful 2025. And I hope you have a wonderful, happy, healthy, safe 2025 as well. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.